Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto singo chiwruok mar piny Kenya e rito aluora. Ruto loso kanotele nyasi mar yawo romo madhi twak ewi chenro mag jiwo ler mar aluora. Nyasi nino timore lok tich mar riwruok piny mangima marango weche mag aluora UNEP e buore Nairobi. Ruto bende wacho ni Kenya biro bago bende romo mar lalruok ewi weche mag aluora, romo mabiro timore dwe mar 9 mar higani.
The explosion in global populations as well as urbanization has immense implications for global production and consumption, with humanity poised firmly between trends and practices likely to overwhelm the planet's capacity to support life on one end and clean, green, efficient, and abundant sustainability on the other end. Fundamentally, this gathering is one more opportunity for the global community to confer and reflect about the progress made in imagining new possibilities for the sustainable provision of opportunities and amenities to promote the flourishing of nearly 10 billion human beings, whilst enhancing the Earth's capacity to support all life.